Find the volume of the prism. Okay, the volume of any prism is area of the base times the height. Now this is a polygon, so what we have to do is we have to find the area of the face of the polygon. Now I'm just going to rotate this shape a bit. Hold on. All right, I've rotated the shape so we have the base of one of the triangular faces being perpendicular to the height of one of the triangular faces. Now all these sides, these are regular polygons, so all these sides are the same length, so in this case 90 kilometers. And the height of one of the triangular faces is going to be 61.94. Now what I'm talking about in terms of triangular faces is think of any polygon as being made of a series of triangles, right? So what I'm doing is I'm drawing a line from the center of my polygon right out to the outside. Here, let me just make that solid. So from this point, I'm drawing a line to here, and from that point, I'm drawing a line to there, and we have a nice triangle. So we end up with the same number of triangles as we have sides. We have 5 sides, so we have 5 triangles. We want to find the area of one of those triangles and multiply by 5. So it would be 90 times 61.94, divide that by 2, that's the area of one of the triangles, and we multiply that by 5. Okay, we can do it that way, or we have a nice shortcut. So the volume is area of the base times the height. Now in this case, it's the area of the base that's a little bit, well, it's not too tricky, but so here's the shortcut. So the number of sides, okay, there are 5 sides, times the side length, which is 90 kilometers, times A, which is the apothem. The apothem is the height of one of those triangular faces. It's the distance from the center of the shape to the outside of the shape, like to the midpoint of one of the sides. Okay. But if you divide this up into triangular faces, there are 5 triangular faces because this is a pentagon, and the apothem is the height of one of those triangular faces. So the shortcut is n times s times a, where n is the number of sides, and which is 5 in this case. S is the side length, which is 90 in this case, and a is the apothem, which is 61.94 in this case. Divided by 2 times the height, which is, well, let's go and have a look. There's the height right there. Whoops. Which is 136 kilometers. So let's just allow that to rotate. Okay, so once we plug all that into the calculator, we get our answer. And it's 1,895,364 kilometers cubed. So let's put that in our answer and see what happens. So kilometers to the power of 3, and let's see if that's right. Yay! Completely right. All right, so that's how you find the volume of a prism. Have a good day.